Hello, once again I find myself working with wood. Beautiful red oak with a food safe varnish finish. This is just natural Appalachian red oak, really nice. This, can you guess? American cherry, select #1 grade American cherry. So I'm going to show you how beautiful this is. And comparatively, this is dark walnut, American black walnut. So a little more reddish, a little more chocolatey. I'm going to take and stain this and make it look a little more like the walnut. First thing I need is a nice work surface here. Next thing I need is some fine sandpaper. And I'm just going to scruff it up on the top like this. It's going to allow the stain to penetrate. Okay? There we go. Next thing I'm going to do is wipe off all of that dust with a nice clean cloth, okay, or even a not so clean cloth. Just want to get rid of that dust. Okay. All right, so that's good to go. We're ready to apply our stain. This is a custom house stain. You can't buy this stain. Our factory applies it to certain customers' orders if you request it and if you pay a little bit. So here you go, 3 words of wisdom: reduce, reuse, recycle. That's a used brush, works fine, and a yogurt container. I like it. Okay, it's good for the environment, people. Be thinking about that. A little bit of the walnut stains going right on the top of this cherry. First thing you're thinking is, wow, it's so dark. Yeah, it is really dark, but the cool thing is this cherry's gonna suck it right up. I'll wait about an hour, then I'm gonna wipe it off and show you how beautiful it is. Okay? There we go. I'll be back. Hello, once again, American cherry. This is just mineral oil finished, and here we have sealed it with a little bit of walnut stain as well as a food safe varnish coating on the top. So it's changed color quite a bit. You might like this more reddish. You might like this a little darker. Comparatively, this is our American black walnut right next to it. So it's got a little bit of a red tone, little walnut there. If you need either of these items, made in America, perfectly flat, perfectly square, NSF certified, you can get them right there at your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please click that little like button. Thumbs up. Yeah.